Nagbayad lang po ako at nag-present para sa Lucky South 99.
Ayun ang problema.
Pero po, okay lang po magsalita po?
Yeah, tapusin
Pero
mo.
po, hindi po ako, wala po akong kinalaman.
Mr. Chair, I'm sorry. We cannot allow this kind of attitude from Ms. Ong. Allow the members to finish their question, okay? Masyado kang pa-cute eh.
Hindi po, pasensya na rin po.
So let it be a reminder to you, Miss Cassie, na patapusin mo munang magtanong ang ating mga membro bago ka sumagot.
Okay po, pasensya na po.
Please proceed,
Oh,
Congressman
lastly,
Paduano.
And address the
Chairman.
chair, Mr. Chair. Ask her, direct her to address the chair.
And address the chair. Na pagsasagot ka, address the chair bago ka sumagot. Okay?
Okay po.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. Let it be put on record that Cassie Ong is lying because inconsistent po yung sinasabi niya kanina. Nakikinig lang po ako, is not representing Lucky South 999, but here comes the payment of accounts. Siya po ang bumayad. Kahit sabihin mo pa po, hindi mo pera from Chen, but still, you represent Lucky South 99 and Pagcor to settle that account. That's on record. At pag dinay mo, you're lying na.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. Please proceed, Congressman Fernandez.
Okay, Cassie, there was an issue between you and Mr. Dennis Cunanan with regards to the $500,000 that supposedly Mr. Harry Roque told us that you gave to Dennis Cunanan. What's the truth about this?
Ang ano po dyan is, ang sabi po ni Dennis Cunanan is, naloko po siya.
Pero nagbigay ka ng $500,000 kay Dennis Cunanan? Because Dennis Cunanan was denying under oath that he received $500,000 from you.
I think hindi po. Ano,
Nagbigay ka ba o hindi?
nagbigay po pero hindi po buong 500 po.
Magkano binigay mo?
I-double check ko po.
Mr. Chairman.
Cassandra, panay ka check ha?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo matatandaan yung ganong kalaking pera, $500,000 or $400,000 na ibinigay mo kay Dennis Cunanan? Personal mo bang binigay yung $500,000? Sabihin na natin $400,000. Personal bang binigay kay Dennis Cunanan yung $400,000 or whatever price is that? Whatever amount is that? Personal ba o hindi?
Yes po.
Personal. Binigay mo sa kanya. So, kung binigay mo yung almost $500,000 kay Dennis Cunanan, so ibig sabihin, nagsisinungaling si Dennis Cunanan.
Mr. Chair, hindi po isahan yan.
Yes, no matter what. So, basta nagbigay ka ng almost $500,000 kay Dennis Cunanan. Nagbigay ka.
Hindi ko po alam yung amount pero nagbigay po pero hindi isahan po.
Okay, is Dennis Cunanan here?
Yes, yes, he's here. Kindly wrap up your question,
Yes, I'm
Congressman
about to
Fernandez.
be done, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Dennis Cunanan, so you were denying the $500,000 and according to Miss Miss Cassie, Cassandra, nagbigay siya sa'yo ng $500,000 or less than $500,000. Ano ba totoo dito, Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
Your Honors, we will stand by our statement that we didn't get that. Whatever the reason for their action, I suppose they just wanted to get a payment plan with Pagcor, which eventually they were able to settle with Pagcor. So I suppose, Your Honors, on that aspect of the fund that they were talking about, nothing was missing with the government agency, and I suppose that is something that they have to deal with me personally, and we will act on it based on how it is being presented, Your Honors. Because as far as we are concerned, since that time on until this point in time, nothing legal have been happened on our part. We were even being asked support to help them with their reapplication for registration. So if that thing happened, I suppose they will not even call back on me and ask for support. particular to their re-registration,
Were you able
reapplication of
to-
registration.
Yeah, okay. Were you able to hear what she just said on this committee regarding the $500,000 that you misuse the money of $500,000? Is that correct, Cassie?
Ang pagkakaalam ko po is parang naloko po siya.
Naloko ka daw.
Opo, pero hindi, ang alam ko po is hindi po.
But you are denying that you accepted money from Cassie Ong.
Yes, Your Honor, because we don't deal directly.
So in
Your
other
Honors.
words, Mr. Chairman, somebody is lying between the two. Maliwanag na maliwanag. May nagsisinungaling sa inyong dalawa. Hindi namin malaman kung ikaw o si Cassie.
Your Honors, if I may, when I was working for them as their liaison, particular to their application for registration, we did. We helped them facilitate their fees with PAGCOR, and these were properly documented. That's why they got their license.
Okay, thank you. Cassie, meron ka bang what you call this acknowledgement, receipt that you have given him the staggered amount of $500,000?
Mr. Chair, bali, naging witnesses lang po ako noong mga panahon na yon.
Naging
Pero-
what? Naging what?
Naging witness
Mr.
lang
Chair.
po. Pero,
Point of order.
Yes, sir.
What is the point of order, Congressman Akop?
The resource person has not been recognized by the chair and she is answering.
Yeah.
That's the rule that I stated this morning, Mr. Chair, that before a resource person can answer or say anything, he must ask permission
Okay.
from the chair.
Attorney, can you please advise your client for the last time that she has to first be recognized by the chair, second, address the chair before she replies to any question propounded by the member. Okay, thank you. Last warning.
So again, Cassie, I will repeat my question. Do you have an acknowledgement receipt regarding the your giving the staggered payments to Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
pwede na po.
You ask permission.
Pwede.
Mr. Chair, you
Mr.
always
Chair,
say
pwede
You
na
always
po.
say Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Sige, sagutin mo siya and then you say, Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair.
sagutin mo siya.
Okay po. Pasensya na po.
Mr. Chair, always
Yes, po.
start with your statement with Mr. Chair. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Chair, bali po, naging witnesses lang po ako noong mga panahon na yon na to prove na parang na ako lang, tawag doon, dumaan po talaga yung money kay Mr. Dennis Cunanan po.
Hindi, what do you mean by witnesses? I mean, naging witness ka. Pero ang sabi mo kanina, ibinigay mo staggered yung pera. So paano ka naging witness sa isang bagay na pagbibigay mo? Sinong...
Bali
I can't
po-
get it. I cannot get it.
Mr. Chair, pwede mo po magsalita. Mr. Chair, bali po, may ibang tao nag-aabot sa kanya, nandun lang po ako.
Is this true, Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
Again, Your Honors, whatever were entrusted to us at that time,